can double your money in your savings account if you know what to do. Series, we are going to be looking at high interest savings accounts here in Nigeria that helps you to grow your money even while it is deposited in the bank. We're going to be looking at the different types of high interest savings account or high yield savings account in order to reach your savings goals quickly. Now, so what is a high interest savings account? So essentially it is different from the traditional savings account because it is a target account and it allows you to grow your money using compound interest. So your interest is not only based on your capital, on the initial money you saved, but the interest is based on your capital as well as the interest that accrues on the capital that you deposited in these types of accounts. So there are numerous ones and there's a growing interest in these types of savings accounts. So we're going to be running a series, so subscribe to this channel if you are interested in this type of information. To look at the Stanbic IBTC max yield savings account, which is a high interest savings account. All right, so before we go on, please like the video like I said, and I want you to tell me what state are you watching this video from if you are based in Nigeria. Now on their website, let's go to their website, you can see they say that the max yield account, that is what the name of this account is. Accelerate your savings with the options of partial withdrawals or emergencies along the way. So usually high interest savings accounts are meant to be target accounts that you can save for a specific purpose. You want to buy a house, you want to gather money for your rent. There are just different reasons why we want to save money. All right, now you can open this account with a minimum deposit of 10,000 naira. So unlike a traditional account that you may not pay, maybe like you have to pay like 1,500 or something, then I don't know now, but with the Stanbic IBTC max yield account you can open it for 10,000 naira and there's a stamp duty fee of 50 naira. Okay, so how do you get it? If you are interested, you walk into a Stanbic IBTC. This video is not sponsored, by the way, it's just meant for educational purpose. You walk into a Stanbic IBTC bank, or if you already have a Stanbic IBTC account, you can tell them you want to open this max yield account. So you get an application form, 2 recent passport photographs of each signatory to the account, a signatory's valid means of identification, that's either your driver's license, your international passport, voter's card or national ID, then a BVN of all the signatories, that's in case you are more than one person who wants to be running this type of account. Now what is it going to cost you? Your minimum account opening balance of 10,000 naira, federal government of Nigeria stamp duty charge of 15 naira on every transaction above 10,000 naira. SMS charge will be as charged by your telecommunication provider. Now what are the benefits of this type of account? Now first of all, a third party can deposit and make withdrawals using a check. So with this type of this max yield account, you are entitled to a checkbook. All right, so somebody can make deposits and can also make withdrawals using the checkbook. The maximum deposit that can be made is 2 million naira and non-clearing third-party checks for withdrawals. I hope that is clear. Then cash deposit and withdrawal at any Stanbic IBTC personal deposit machine and ATM respectively. In simple English, what that means is that you can pay money into this account from any Stanbic IBTC branch, or if they have all those new machines that you can deposit money into, you can do that. Then you have access to their e-banking channels. Okay, they have e-banking channels. That by e-banking channels they mean online banking. It could be online internet banking, their app, all those avenues. You can access your account from there. All right, then you can also set up direct debits or standing order for regular bills payment. So if you are using this account for your personal finance, okay, you want to cultivate the habit of saving, all right, and also being disciplined about your spending. So if you need to pay for your light, you have a specific amount you pay for your light, you can put a standing order that every month let's say so amount go here or go there. Or for budgeting, if you are budgeting your family finances, okay, you have a particular amount that you can give to your wife every month for the family, there's a standing order, so you don't need to be going to the bank up and down. Once it's that time of the month and the order has already been, you've already put the machinery for the order to take place, it will just go to the person's account. So you can do that with this max yield account. All right, now the next bonus is that you have a bonus interest of 0.5% plus 10% of MPR per annum if daily balance is more than 100,000 naira. Now what does this mean? Now if you have more than 100,000 naira in your account every day, aside the normal 10% interest rates on this account per annum, you have 0.5% as long as there's 100,000 naira, more than 100,000 naira. So if it's 100,015 naira in that account, you will be getting 0.5% plus the normal 10% CBN interest rate. Okay, then interest rates of 10% of MPR per annum if balance is less than 100,000 naira or more than one withdrawal per month. What does this mean? The normal CBN interest rate in Nigeria is about 10% thereabout. Okay, so you are going to get that interest rate per annum, that's in a year, if your balance is less than 100,000 naira or if you make more than one withdrawal per month. So you know that this account is a target savings account. You're not supposed to be withdrawing. It's not like your normal savings account because it's a savings account. So you're supposed to be saving inside the account. It's not that you just be withdrawing anyhow. They say interest is forfeited at the 5th withdrawal in a month. Interest is paid monthly less 10% withholding tax, meaning that if you make more than 5 withdrawals, not even more than, if you make 5 withdrawals in a month, you are going to forfeit your interest for that month. Do you understand? Because like I mentioned, it is a high savings account. You're not supposed to be withdrawing. You should be disciplined. It's to increase your discipline as a person, your personal finance, right? So once you make more than up to 5 withdrawals in that month, you are not going to get interest for that month. Okay, and the interest that is paid, they are going to remove 10% withholding tax from that interest. All right, so yeah, that is it about the Stanbic IBTC max yield high interest savings account. All right, if you have any questions, please ask in the comment section. This video is not sponsored, it's meant for educational purposes alone. All right, and if you are using other high interest savings accounts, please share with us. There are a lot of people who would like to learn if you are based here in Nigeria. Thank you so much for watching. If you have watched till this point, you know now you're the real MVP. You're the original Odogu. I want you to hear yourself and say Odogu 1010 in the comment section. All right, like this video. Also check the playlist for the other videos in this series. I'll see you all in the next one. Bye.